This is a tutorial video for Canva. We're going to explore how to start making a presentation through Canva. So if you go to this front page of Canva, make sure you're logged in. After you're logged in, you can choose what type of design that you want to make. You can choose the presentation design because we're going to make a presentation file. You can choose from this talking presentation and this presentation. This is, as you can see, the shape is different. This is horizontal, this is vertical. This is for mobile friendly version. But I suggest using this horizontal version because it's easier to make it for the first time. After you're feeling a little more comfortable, you can switch it to the mobile presentation, but I suggest using this one first. Okay. So the first thing we gotta do is to pick out a template that you want to use for your self-introduction. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates that you can choose from, like picture based design to just like one color design. I'm gonna choose the simple one or the one that represents me the most because this assignment is on self-introduction. So I'm going to choose this one. And as I can see, there are a lot of pages that are included in this specific design template. And I'm going to choose the first one as my title of this presentation. So the assignment was on the self-introduction, so I'm going to put self-introduction as a text. As you can see, you can just double click to edit the text. So I'm gonna put down self-introduction. Oh no! So you can just move a little bit like this and then just align this to the center. It's really easy because you can see the lines over here. And then I'm going to put in my name. So for example, Jin Young as my name. But this is too small, right? So I'm going to make it a lot bigger than this. Okay, so it's really easy, right? You can just choose a template and then you can just change the text and the size of this text. Okay, so for the second part, we're going to put this one. And you can add as a new page so that it doesn't delete the one that you already did. So you can see that you can choose to include an image in the text. So the second sentence of the template that we were supposed to write was about where you are living in. So because I live in Suwon, South Korea, I'm gonna put in like this. Let's make it a little like that. And then, do you know what's famous in Suwon? Yeah, Hwasong Castle is really famous, right? So I'm gonna put down Hwasong Castle. And then what we're going to do is to delete this image, and then we are going to add an image from Canva. So what we're going to do is click this element, and then we're going to search Hwasong Palace. And you can see that there are photos, graphics, videos of Hwasong Palace. So I'm going to just choose a photo of Hwasong Palace. Would be, what's the cool looking Hwasong Palace? Okay, this looks really cool, right? So I'm just going to put this over here. And then, so you can choose how to design your picture. So I'm just going to do this as a similar size, like this. See? So this is how you add an image to your slides. Really easy, right? Yeah. So now that you are done making your slides per sentence, one slide per sentence, you have to record the video, right? So you can see that there's a button called present and record. So you click this one, and then I'm just gonna do this here. And then you can go to the recording studio and record, but there are no subtitles that you have written down that you can read when you're recording, right? So I will teach you how to use this function, note function. So this notes is the presenter notes that appear when you're recording, so you can read the sentence while you record this presentation. So you can just choose one slide, each slide, and just write down whatever sentence that you want to say per each slide. I highly recommend practicing before recording, because if you're not used to speaking English, it can get a little difficult. So, okay, let's go and record. So go to the recording studio, and you can see that the notes appear like this, right? And then you can see yourself in as a little video if you have the webcam installed on your laptop. Okay, let's start recording, and then yeah, you can record like this. And then to end the recording, you can choose to end the recording over here, or you can pause in the middle so that you can practice and resume again. Make sure you practice a lot before recording so that you can just finish recording in one take. All right. I'm gonna look forward to seeing all of your videos. Bye.